Conservatory was always a plan because we wanted an extra space at the back, and it was a better investment compared to having an extra granny flat or something that would have cost probably a bit more. We had a look around and we found that in terms of star ratings, in terms of client satisfaction, they were actually one of the best ones. So no wonder we chose Conservatory Land. We were very welcomed by the person who we talked to on the phone, and he sort of talked to us in details about what it involves, what steps are there. So we felt very comfortable with that process, and the fact that we could sort of chop and change, tweak things around the way we wanted with the doors, with the shape. We could have gone for a self-building one and choose our own installer, but I thought it was best the Conservatory Land having their own tradesperson who knows how the business works. They were fantastic actually. They came in, they were very well organized, very nice and tidy. We were a little bit apprehensive about the process and it was going to take maybe a week or two, but in the end everything went very smoothly. It's very comfortable, and especially if it's nice summery weather and we want to spend a bit of time out here in the sun, and if one of us is wanting some study time, we can just go in the conservatory and do that very quietly. Conservatory Land we found was a very reputed organization. They've done a very good job, and even after we had the conservatory done and we had a few things to sort out here and there, they were very much on the ball, and by all means I would consider that as number one for anyone who wants to build a conservatory.